Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel BL Das Short and Sweet in Chemistry. Now I am going to explain redox reaction for class 11, that is part 2. In part 2 I am going to explain electronic concept of oxidation and reduction reaction. The question is, why the electronic concept? Why the electronic concept? What is mean by electron concept? That means here electrons are involved in oxidation and reduction reactions. Now the question is, why here electrons are involved? Then we will see what is periodic table. In periodic table we know first and second group elements are electropositive elements, where 16 and 17 group elements they are electronegative elements. Also, every element has a tendency to attain inert gas configuration. Then question, what is inert gas configuration? That means 18 group configuration. That means neon, argon, krypton, like this. Now, how they will attain inert gas configuration? I told every element has a tendency to attain inert gas configuration by either losing electron or gaining electron or sharing electrons. Now in example, here you can say, what is oxidation? Loss of one or more electrons. Loss of one or more electrons, that is removal of electron. Loss of electron means removal of electron, or we can observe increase of positive valency, or we can observe decrease of negative valency. These all are related to electrons, and this is the electronic concept of oxidation. Then question is, how the first and second group elements they lose electron and form positive ion. And now example, sodium, which belongs to first group. And what is the configuration? What is the atomic number? Atomic number 11, and atomic number 11 means 11 proton, 11 electron. That means proton is positive charge and electron is negative charge. So 11 plus and 11 minus becomes neutral. Then come to when it lose electron, and what happens here? Na plus 1. That means here it loses 1 electron and changes to plus 1. That means here 11 proton, 10 electron. 10 electron means it attains the configuration, inert gas configuration of neon. That means here sodium loses 1 electron, it changes to plus 1. In elementary stage, this is the charge is 0, and when it loses 1 electron, it changes to Na plus 1. What is Na plus 1? What is the inert gas configuration here? That is neon configuration. Similarly, magnesium. What is the atomic number of magnesium? Magnesium means atomic number 12. Atomic number 12 means proton 12 and electron also 12. That means here 12 proton, 12 electrons are there. That is why it is neutral. And charge is 0. When it loses 2 electron and it becomes Mg plus 2, here also we can observe 10 electron. What is 10 electron? Electronic configuration, inert gas configuration of neon. That is why here it changes to Mg plus 2. Now question here, why here only it loses 1 electron and here 2 electron, not 3 or 1? Actually what happens, since it loses 1 electron, that means it attains the inert gas configuration of neon. To attain inert gas configuration, how many electron it can lose easily, and that is the main important. Here sodium loses 1 electron, and magnesium, you see 12 electrons are there in neutral stage. When it loses 2 electron, it becomes inert gas configuration. Only 2 if 1 electron it will lose, then it will not attain any inert gas configuration. That is why when it loses 2 electron, it attains the inert gas configuration of neon. And here increase of positive valency. Increase of positive valency means here iron is plus 2. When it loses 1 electron, Fe plus 3. And when decrease of negative valency Cl minus, when it loses one electron, it changes to Cl0, that is neutral. That what is meaning here? You can observe, if one electron loss, one positive charge, if two electron loss, two positive charge, and here also increase of one positive charge, that means here it is one electron loss. And now we can observe sodium, magnesium, Fe plus 2, Cl minus, they are losing electrons, and the process is called, and it is called oxidation. Now, and which loses electron? Sodium loses electron, magnesium loses electron, Fe plus 2 and Cl minus, they also lose electron, they also lose electrons. That is why it is called, they are called oxidized. That means here Na, magnesium, Fe plus 2, Cl minus are called oxidized, and the process is called oxidation, and here electrons are involved. That is why it is electronic concept of oxidation. Since electrons are involved in this process, so it is electronic concept. And why it will lose one electron, two electron? Because they have to attain inert gas configuration, that is 18 group element configuration. And in this example, here neon gas configuration, here also neon gas configuration they are attending. And here sodium, magnesium, Fe plus 2, Cl minus are oxidized, and the process is called oxidation. And now in next we will see electronic concept of reduction. Electronic concept of reduction. So I hope it is clear what is electronic concept of oxidation, and next we will see what is electronic concept of reduction. Electronic concept of reduction. What is meant by electronic concept of reduction? The process reduction where the electrons are involved, and it is called electronic concept of reduction. Now in this reduction you see what is meaning, gain of one or more electrons, gain of one or more electron, or accepting electrons, and that is increase of negative charge. Other meaning we can say the negative charge increases, or you can say decrease of positive valency. Now the question is why the electrons are involved in the process of reduction, why it is called electronic concept of reduction. Again we see in periodic table here the 16 and 17 groups, they are electronegative elements. Here every element has a tendency to attain inert gas configuration either by losing or gaining or sharing electrons. Now in this case 16, 17 elements, they gain electrons and change to negative charge, and it becomes to stable gas configuration, that is 18 group element configuration. Let us see one example. Chlorine, we know chlorine when it is elementary stage, here the charge is 0. That means 17 proton and 17 electrons are there. 17 proton means 17 positive charge, 17 electron means 17 negative charge. That is why it is neutral, the charge is 0. When one electron gains, when it gains one electron or accept one electron, then what happens? It changes to Cl minus. Then question, how? Here see 17 proton, after receiving one electron, the electron changes to 18 electrons. Then what is the configuration here? 18 electron, that is the inert gas configuration of argon. That is why here I told every element has a tendency to attain inert gas configuration by gaining electron. In this case either gaining or sharing or losing electrons. In this case they gain electron. Similarly, and that is why 18 electron, that is 18 negative charge, and 17 proton, that is 17 positive charge, and last conclusion, what is the total charge, that is -1. Similarly, oxygen in elementary stage the charge is 0. Why? Because here 8 proton and 8 electrons are there, that is why it is neutral. But when it gains 2 electrons, gains 2 electrons, it changes to O minus 2. What is O minus 2? That means here 8 proton and 10 electrons are there. Since 10 electrons are there, 10 negative charge and 8 positive charge. So what is the total charge here? -2. Then question is, why it gains 1 electron only chlorine, and why oxygen gains 2 electrons? Because after gaining 1 electron, it attains the inert gas configuration, that is argon. And here after gaining 2 electron, it attains the inert gas configuration of neon, because it changes to 8 electron changes to 10 electron after receiving 2 electron, after accepting 2 electrons. That is why these two examples are clear. Then come to after changes, that mean decrease of positive valency. Here increase of negative charge, and here decrease of positive charge. Now see Al plus 3, where 3 plus 3 charge is there, and now by accepting electron or gaining electron, how many? And here it gains 3 electrons left, and then what happens? It becomes to aluminum neutral, so the charge is 0. Why? Because aluminum plus 3, and after gaining 1 electron gain means 1 negative charge increases, so 3 charges plus charge are there. That is why after accepting 3 electrons, it changes to Al0. Similarly, Fe plus 3 and plus 1 electron, what happens in Fe plus 2? Because after gaining 1 electron, it changes to Fe plus 2. So, decrease of positive charge. Similarly, Sn plus 4, that is called stannic. Sn4 plus 4 is called stannic. Sn plus 2, that is called stannous. Now, after accepting 2 electrons, that is a 2 negative charge increases. So, here you can say plus 4 changes to plus 2. So, here decrease of positive valency, positive charge. So, again see chlorine, the charge is neutral, after accepting 1 electron changes to Cl minus and attain the configuration, inert gas configuration of argon. And here oxygen, after accepting 2 electron, or we can say after gaining 2 electrons, it is here O minus 2. So, here 10 electron, that is inert gas configuration of neon. And similarly, aluminum plus 3, since positive charge 3, and after accepting 3 electrons, both are cancel each other and becomes to neutral. And here Fe plus 3, after accepting 1 electron, and here plus 3 changes to plus 2. Similarly, Sn plus 4, after gaining 2 electrons, it changes to Sn plus 2. That means these are reduced. Who? Chlorine, oxygen, Al plus 3, Fe plus 3 and Sn plus 4, they are all reduced. Why? Because they accept electron, they gain electrons. So, this is called reduce, and the process is called reduction. What is that one? Reduction. And above reaction all are called reduction, and here chlorine, oxygen, Al plus 3, Fe plus 3, Sn plus 4 are called reduce. Now, electronic concept of oxidation and reduction that is one completed. I hope you can understand what is meant by oxidation according to electronic concept, and similarly what is meant by reduction according to electronic concept and what are the examples. You can see how it referred to periodic table, a group of elements, first group, second group, what is the nature of first group, second group, they can lose electron easily, and 16 17 group they can accept electron easily, and these are the reaction, or you can say by accepting electron or by gaining electron what happens, or by losing electrons what happens, and who are reduced and who are oxidized according to electronic concept, and what are called reduction, what are called oxidation according to electronic concept. I hope it is clear to you. In next class, in next part, I want to explain what is redox reaction according to electronic concept, and that is called electron transfer reaction. In next coming part 3, I will explain redox reaction in terms of electronic concept, and hope you will subscribe my channel BL Das Short and Sweet in Chemistry, and also I hope you will like and share my channel. Thanks you all.